Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're always joining in the too many open tabs, this video is for you. So today I will show you how to organize your tabs and work efficiently in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Open the Chrome browser, select your profile, move to your profile. Now the best way to manage multiple tabs is by using Google tab groups. For example, this is my tab and I want to rearrange it and I want to customize into a group. So example, I have to right click on the tab, so right click on it. Now you can see multiple options here. Now go to add tab to a new group. So naming the group, for example, this is my work tab. It's uh, it's very essential for my work. So I will tap add tab to a new group. Now it will ask for my group name. Just set as work as your group name and press the enter key. You can even color code your groups, making it easier to identify a tab at a glance. Now, clicking a tab group to collapse expanded, and the best part, you can collapse the entire group to free space and avoid distraction. For example, this is my work group. I will click on it. Now my tab is hidden. Now pin important tabs to keep them handy. For example, I open YouTube a lot, so I will open YouTube. Now I want to keep it always open my whenever I am opening my Google Chrome browser. So if I need this permanently, just right click on it. Now go to options pin tab and it will pin to my Google Chrome browser forever. Now save tips for later using the reading list. Click the bookmark. For example, I want this YouTube page for my bookmark. Just go to the select star button. Uh, Select this now. Press the done button. Now your home page is set as your bookmark. For example, I want to open my bookmark website. Go to this new tab. Now go to this folder, all bookmarks. Now I will click on YouTube and it will open the web page. And that's it, guys. I hope you like these tips and let me know in the comments if this helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.